Check it out. Widebody S7 Audi. This is what it sounds like before. You guys can see it's very, very quiet. Too quiet. Here's sound decibels. Right at 85. So stay tuned, guys. It's got a wide body kit on it too. Look at that. That's crazy. I like it. All right. Wide fenders, wide wheels, sexy car. We're gonna straight pipe it. Stay tuned. Guys, we got a wide body 2017 Audi S7 all the way from Georgia. Every time I hear Georgia, I start another satisfied customer. Every time I hear Georgia, I crave peaches. I want peaches too. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. So it's got factory converter up there on the manifold somewhere. Then secondary resonators right there. They are not cats. They are actually resonators, guys. They're empty on the inside. We thought they were cats for the longest, and then we cut them. See, they're hollow. So they are resonators. So remember that. Then 2.5-inch pipe continues, and we did a mid resonator delete. And then 2 1/4 continues out the back, and we did a muffler delete there and there. And these come with the valves. So what we do is we leave them plugged in and just weld them to the side of the pipe, as you guys can see right there and right there. And what it does, it tricks the car to thinking the valves are still on it. Doesn't throw any check engine light or anything like that. So if you guys ever wonder what to do with the valves without having to go get it tuned, that's what you do. You cut the valves and weld them to the side and leave them plugged in. And then there's the rear. There's the tips out the back. On each side, we put some exotics resonated tips on it, give it that nice European feel, as you guys can see there. And here's the part number on the tips right there. There'll be a link in description. So there it is right there, guys. Came out really clean. Look at the side view. Very nice. Give it that sexy look, as you guys can see. S7 wide body. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it. One here, and they put the other one there. They tricked me. And there's the resonator that was on it. It's a dual in, dual out. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. We got a crowd watching. Look at that. Look at them. They're all watching, ready to hear this Audi. Much better. There's a pop, bro. What do you think? Do you approve? Yeah. Oh, thumbs up. Toes and all. That's sick, man. Now you can actually hear the car, man. Wow.
We gotta put it in sport mode.
Here's sound decibels before it goes into sport mode. Go ahead. Right at 107. He's gonna put it in sport mode. Go ahead and put it in sport mode now. All right, guys, now sport mode. Go ahead. He's got more pop. Man, that's sick. I like it. Here's sound decibels again with sport mode on. These cars really open up on the road. Not just getting revved. Sounds mean. Just wait till you put it on the road, bro. Oh, yeah. That's when the crackle will happen. So it's got such a fat stance to it, man. Woo! That's a beauty. Stupid rev limiter. He wanted to be on the camera. this up too. Let you guys hear it on the inside. You guys can see it's very, very quiet. Too quiet. Here's sound decibels. Right at 85. It's got more pop. I like it. Here's sound decibels again with sport mode on. These cars really open up on the road. Not just getting revved. Sounds mean. Just wait till you put it on the road, bro. Oh, yeah. That's when the crackle will happen. So stay tuned, guys. It's got a wide body kit on it too. Look at that. That's crazy. I like it. All right. Audi Quattro S7 V8. Look at how wide this car is. Good Lord. I like it. Only thing shining is the tips. That's what he wanted to go for anyway. Damn! Damn, ice cream truck! Got in the way. Enjoy, guys. Drive off number 2.